Mike McIntyre here with Coachmen RV. We're at the Florida SuperShow down in Tampa here. Today I'm going to show you the Entourage 340BH. Entourage, you'll have the option for two types of chassis. You'll have the International chassis and then the Chevy 5500. The 340BH that we're looking at today will be built only on the International chassis. Due to it being a little bit larger, it's on a 22,000 pound chassis. All of your Entourages will have a 14,500 towing capacity as well. A few features on the outside of this coach: 12-volt entertainment TV out here, nice camp kitchen with a griddle, sink, refrigerator to keep your drinks nice and cold. We have a Fugatti tankless water heater on all of the Entourages. We upgraded your suspension with the CRV Super Springs with the Sumo in the rear and in the front, where it's going to keep your coach nice and stable going down the road for a nice easy ride. A few features in this side of this coach are leather seats, dual cup holders in your cockpit area, 57 by 95 cab over bunk area with storage USB charging station. That's going to have an 800 pound capacity weight limit on it. All of your drawers will be on slow close, solid surface inside, oven, convection microwave. Your refrigerator is going to be on a dual hinge, so it'll open both ways. Heated light massage recliners in this coach. One of the unique features of this coach is going to be the bunk area, but it's just not a bunk. It can also be utilized as a workspace. If you flip this up, or dog kennel, lots of uses for it. Your sleeping area will be on a tilt-a-bed, so the bed will move up and down. Last would be your ACs. We run dual ACs. Both will have heat pumps in them. If you're looking for a little more power on your Entourage, we do offer a lithium package. We've partnered with Battleborn batteries, where the package will include dual 270 amp batteries, 3,000 watt inverter, 600 watts of solar mounted to your roof. If you want to learn more, go to coachmenrv.com.